Welcome to the presentation of LIBERO. LIBERO is an integrated library management system that supports librarians in all aspects of their work in a library, starting with acquisitions, continuing with cataloging, circulation, serious administration, interlibrary loans through to statistics and controlling. On top of that, it comes with an excellent state-of-the-art web pack for the user to search for media and with all sorts of self-service functionality. Here we go. Once you open the LIBERO program group on your PC, you will see all the different modules the software is composed of. As LIBERO is an integrated library management system, these modules do not work independently, but can be used as, let's say, different doors into the library management system. And of course, the modules are quite important when it comes to security and access rights, but you will hear more about that later on. Once you double-click on one of the module icons in your program group, you will get to the LIBERO login screen. The login screen allows a user to enter his username, his password, and to select a database in case a library just runs more than one database on their server. After a click on the traffic light icon, the module will be started. The main screen of each module allows you to access the functionality of that module by either using the buttons on the main screen or by using the menu entries on top of the screen. In our example, we will start the module by using the button for the catalog search. The Lookup Items screen is a very central screen within LIBERO. Many librarian activities start here. The main purpose of that screen is to execute catalog searches, which can either be executed as keyword searches or phrase searches, or by using numeric search methods that you see listed down here. In our case, we want to start an any word search using the search term science. We start our search by using the binocular button or by using the enter key, and we get a search result list. Result lists can be printed or downloaded, as well as rearranged or resorted by various sorting criteria, like for instance publication and year or title and author. To get more detailed information about one of the titles in the result list, you can simply click on one of the results, and the yellow browser box underneath will display the catalog record, including subject headings and including information about the items that belong to that catalog record. This also includes the availability of that item. If you want to see details for other records, you can just use the arrow keys on your keyboard to scroll up and down the list. Searches and result lists can be limited by various aspects. Our search for science with material type any brought a list of 19 items. When we now repeat the search for monographs only, we will end up with a result list of 10 items only. And if we now additionally limit to a location, which is the central library in that case, we end up with a list of 7 items. And if we now on top of that want to know which items are available, means in stock today, then the list gets reduced to 4 items only. Of course, all aspects like material types, branch codes are not fixed and predefined within LIBERO. All these come out of parameters that you yourself can set up to your own needs, and later on we'll have a deeper look into the parameter module to see how this works. To get more information about a title on the title list, you just double-click the title and you get to the stock maintenance screen that allows you to see more details of the catalog record, and that gives you a preview of what's going on with that title. You can see that cataloging details exist, you can see the number of holdings, and you see that there are orders that have not been taken delivery of yet. Apart from accessing functionality like adding URLs to specific catalog records or linking images to catalog records, you can access mark cataloging from that screen, as well as stock options that allows you to see all the orders and all the items, budget information, and so on. We'll start with the mark cataloging. The mark cataloging screen allows you to edit and update existing catalog records. On top of it, it comes with various layouts. You can, for instance, use this free text entry field to insert your changes and then update the record. If you don't like the free text entry, you can also use a table layout. The table layout can even come with a description on or off. The table layout has a few advantages. One of them is that it uses colored information in case there's something wrong with the catalog record. Let's try to insert an invalid category, for instance. We create a new line and then change the tag number. As soon as we do so, LIBERO will display that this tag is not set up in the parameters for usage in the LIBERO cataloging module, and this information will be displayed in red. Other colored information is used for unauthorized terms, which are displayed in green, and blue would indicate that extra sequences of marked tags would not be permitted. Apart from editing existing catalog records on that screen, you would also use this screen to create new catalog records. To do so, you would either click on the blue book button on this specific screen, New Record, or you could even use the screen before, the stock maintenance screen. It has the same blue book button, or you could even use the lookup items screen, where you might have executed a catalog search and found out that the title you need to work on is not cataloged yet. Use the blue book button and go to the mark